This beautiful environment faces two big problems, and those are pollution and second is excessive exploitation. As far as pollution is concerned, there are three kinds of pollution which harm the environment in a big way, and those are air pollution, water pollution and the noise pollution. The air pollution is caused by the smokes and the gases which come out of the factories and also the vehicles which run on the roads. All this smoke, dust adds to the pollution of the environment. Then as far as water is concerned, this water gets polluted because of the domestic and the industrial waste. All that is done by the mankind or by the human beings knowingly and unknowingly add to the beautiful environment's degradation. Next is the noise pollution, which has become much more than the other two pollutions, and this is emitted by the industrial and also the household things. For example, the mixer and the grinders in the households and also in the industries and the factories wherein lot of noise is made during production. So, air, water and the noise pollution is creating havoc in the environment, which is very, very bad for the coming generations. Next is the excessive exploitation of environment. Whatever we do has to be done in a very judicious manner. If we start exploiting, over exploiting, that is the time that we can see that there is a doomsday, because if our future generations are not safe, we cannot think of good quality life even for ourselves, because we will not be wise forefathers. Well, deforestation is the first result of excessive exploitation. When the Britishers arrived in India, they needed timber for building the Royal Navy, they needed timber for building the railways, and here the process of deforestation started. Now, whether it is the poverty which forces the human beings to fell trees, or it is the requirement of the factories and the industries and the development which is going on, deforestation has taken a very bad shape, and thus it definitely is what is called as excessive exploitation. Next is degradation. Degradation means the first step of it is soil erosion. Soil erosion is washing off the top layer of the soil, and when soil erosion occurs, it leads to infertility in the soil. There is lot of changes which occur in the soil which leads to so many problems. And of course, the alkalinity and the salinity of the soil is also responsible for the degradation of the soil. And when such things start happening, when we start exploiting the soil by using means to increase the production or by doing such things which are of course very fruitful for the present generation, but if it is harmful for the coming generations, it is definitely a big thing which we are doing in order to see that our future generations do not live in peace and harmony. So, what kind of generation are we? Very selfish and selfish, of course.